Hey, it's Angela with the Teach Tech Grow team, and your tip for this week is going to be about using Google Keep and some educator integration ideas. The first idea I'm going to share in Google Keep is how you can set up a comment bank in Google Keep. And so this you could use for grading comments. You can see I have a few ideas over here. If there's something I'm always using again and again, like please try again. And I can even include pictures with that. So I can save those here and it's right here as a grading comment. Then when I'm in my students' work and I'm going through and grading it, I can notice, oh, here's a comma splice, for example, and I can copy. And if there was a spot that they were having a comma splice, I can insert in the comments and paste right from there. If I need them to try again, I can also just pull the whole thing over. And there's please try again. So however I want to share those, it's just a way to make my grading just a little bit faster. The next way I'm going to share with you is how you can do some sentence frames. So maybe you have some different sentence frames that you use with your kids. And from here, you can actually share so that they can become collaborators with them, or you can teach them to grab their own on the different sentence frames. And then when students are in their documents, they can click over to the Keep, search for frames, and if they're working on sharing their opinion, you can choose which one they would like to use and drag it over. And those will be are available to your students in any document anytime they do docs.new. Their Keep drive, their Keep is right here on the side. And frames will have whatever you teach them to put in there. Another way you can get these is if you take an image. I can use the snipping tool to take an image of these sentence frames right here, copy that, and in my Google Keep, I can paste the image. And the problem with this is that the text isn't readable. So one of the things you can do is come in here and grab image text. And this will takes your image and pulls the text out. So if we look at this one, I have to go back in and add in my blanks and comma blank accordingly. Or the next one down there was blank caused blank. Sometimes I go in different spots, and which in turn resulted in blank, and due to the fact that blank, comma, and now I can even choose to get rid of the image. And those are those sentence frames that I pulled over straight from a picture. Another great way that teachers can use sentence frame is to provide checklists for the kids of what they need to do. For example, narrative writing meets expectations when has these different ideas. I put in here through email of whoever I want them to have when they're in their assignment, or even as I'm grading their assignments, I can come in here and do search writing their checklist and pull that checklist over right here at the top. Has exactly what they need, or they can have it open on the side as they're doing it and kind of mark whether it has the parts that they need. The last thing that may help is if you use the app, you can take a photo, and it could be of your sticky notes, it could be a poster that you have on your walls, and then you accept it, and from here you can click in and have it pull the text from the image. Grab image text, and it will transcribe written notes onto a Google Keep that you'll be able to access on your computer.